Authorities are investigating the massive fire that gutted a superstore in Quezon City early this morning. Charmaine Abong is on the phone for the details. Hi, Charmaine. I understand umabot sa fifth alarm itong sunog na ito. Tell us what happened.
Yes, Mai. At around 10:48 a.m., the fire that broke out at a superstore here in Barangay Pasong Putik, Fairview, Quezon City was declared fire out as the Bureau of Fire Protection or BFP continues to investigate the cause of the incident, which started in the early hours of Wednesday. According to Fire Senior Inspector Bernardo Soriano, Chief of the Fire Investigation and Intelligence Section of the Quezon City Fire District, an estimated 80% of the superstore was destroyed by the blaze. No injuries were reported among the store's employees or firefighters. The fire started at around 4:40 a.m. and spread rapidly, prompting authorities to raise it to fifth alarm status by 5:17 a.m. Several vehicles parked near the establishment were also damaged after being hit by collapsing walls of the building. The BFP said portions of the structure gave way due to the intense heat inside the supermarket, forcing firefighters to use breathing apparatus while battling the fire. As of this time, investigators are focusing on the basement area of the building as they work to determine the cause of the fire. Initial information indicates that the establishment was only constructed in February 2024. Meanwhile, the store manager declined to give further details, saying that an official statement will be released. Mai.
Charmaine, walang casualties dito sa fire, ano? Pero I understand mabilis na nag-escalate yung fire response at halos nga buong superstore, buong supermarket ano, ang natupok. How many fire trucks were deployed in the area?
Yes, May, dahil sa bilis ng pagkalat ng apoy, umabot sa mahigit 60 fire trucks galing sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Metro Manila ang rumisponde dito sa insidente. 28 dito ay galing sa Bureau of Fire Protection, habang 37 naman ay mga fire volunteers. May.
Charmaine, kumusta ang traffic situation dyan sa area?
Yes, Mai. As of this moment, medyo mabagal yung pag-usad niya. Pero kung ikukumpara ito kaninang umaga, mas mabilis na siya dahil nga may tumutulong na rin na fire traffic management dito sa area, sa paligid ng superstore dito sa Fairview, Quezon City. Mai.
Thank you, Charmaine Abong reporting.